Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a video of a place which resembles a similar scenic location in Guilin, China. The name of the park is Bukit Batok Town Park, but commonly known as Little Guilin, which is constructed from a disused granite quarry or an abandoned quarry. To reach here, you need to take north-south train or red line and alight at Bukit Gombak MRT station, then turn right and take exit B and go straight. After that, turn left when you reach the end of the sheltered walkway and go straight. If you want to visit only the quarry, then you can continue to go straight and turn left and you are there. But if you want to go through the Bukit Gombak Stadium, then you can climb up the stairs to the stadium and walk along the edge of the stadium. After passing the stadium, you will see the stairs that go towards Little Guilin Lake.
कस्तो आनन्द शीतल हुन्छ होला क्या अरू बेला नि यही तलबाट जाने होला नि ऊ त्यहीँबाट जस्तो छ त ऊ त्यहीँबाट देख्छ त
Here we are right in front of Little Guilin. I don't know much about the history of this quarry. This is an abandoned quarry which used to be a granite quarry in the past. The name of the area, Bukit Batok, means coughing hills, was derived from the sounds of quarrying activities.
अगाडिबाट नि छ होला के
When the granite had to be extracted below sea level and could threaten the ecology of the area, the government closed down the quarries in Bukit Batok and made arrangements to purchase granite from Indonesia instead. As a result, the quarry became abandoned and rainwater filled it up over time, turning it into a mini lake. In 1984, the Housing and Development Board wanted to fill up the quarry and build a road over it. However, after seeing that the existing quarry had rugged granite outcrops and a contrasting backdrop of green hills that gave it a pleasant look, the HDB converted the quarry into a park instead.
Auto yo.
When you visit Bukit Batok Town Park, you can also check out Bukit Batok Nature Park, which was developed on an abandoned quarry site in 1988, and it's just 300 meters far from here. Bukit Batok Nature Park also holds some historical significance. It was once mined for granite. The quarry has since become a large reflecting pool, and this trail also takes you to a war memorial at the top of the hill and to the quarry pool at its foot.
यो फेरि अर्कै हो त्यही त्यही त छ त अनि के कति धेरै हो जरा हो कि बाटो कति राम्रो हो कि यो कति धेरै रहेछ कति धेरै रहेछ है यो झन् भिरालो रहेछ
This is the war memorial I mentioned earlier, which was built during the Japanese occupation 1942 to 1945 to honor dead soldiers of the Japanese and British forces. Both memorials no longer exist today, but they were once at Bukit Batok Hilltop, present day called Bukit Batok Nature Park. All that remains at the memorial site is a flight of steps leading to where the monuments once stood. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching my today's video. Keep watching if you liked it and see you soon in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.